नमो नमः। कक्षा पंचमी, विषयः संस्कृतम्। संस्कृतस्य पुस्तकं सुरभि, संस्कृतसुरभि। Dear students, in previous class we have already discussed the second chapter of Sanskrit Surabhi, and today we shall have to discuss the third chapter, that is Vayam Pashyamah Jantushalam. We see the zoo. Vayam, we, Pashyamah, see, Jantushalam, the zoo. Jantushala, zoo, चिड़ियाघर. A few students of class 5 once visit a zoo, and in the zoo, wandering here and there, they talk to one another that we see the zoo. Whatever they see in the zoo, they talk about it to one another. A few students named Naveen, Praveen, Samriddhi and Neena, wandering in the zoo, talk to one another. नवीनः, प्रवीणः, समृद्धिः, नीना च एकदा भ्रमणाय गच्छन्ति. Once they visit to a zoo, and in the zoo they talk to one another. First of all, Naveen asks, ऐसा का अस्ति? यह क्या है? ऐसा यह का क्या अस्ति है? What is this? Praveen replies to Naveen's question that ऐसा जंतुशाला अस्ति. This is a zoo. Again, Naveen continues asking, किमत्र अनेके जीवाः सन्ति? क्या यहाँ अनेके बहुत सारे जीव जानवर हैं? Are there many animals in the zoo? Praveen replies, yes, there are many animals in the zoo. अत्र अनेके जीवाः सन्ति. अत्र यहाँ, अनेके बहुत सारे जीव अर्थात जानवर हैं. There are many animals in the zoo. Naveen continues asking, ते किम कुर्वन्ति? What are they doing? ते वे किम क्या कुर्वन्ति करते हैं. वे क्या करते हैं. What are they doing? Praveen replies, पश्य तत्र, देखो वहाँ. Look at there. There, where the animals are there. Praveen indicates there. Naveen look at there. Singhah garjati. The lion is roaring. Ashwah dhavati. The horse is running. Gajah chalati. The elephant is walking. Mrigah shighram dhavati. Mrigah, a deer, is running fast. Here is a question. Ashwah dhavati and mrigah shighram dhavati. There is a little difference. The horse is running and the deer is running fast. Shighram means fast. And then वानरः खादति, बंदर खा रहा है. Then अजः चरति. अजः अर्थात he goat. अजः अजा, he goat and she goat, male goat and female goat is grazing. अजः चरति. He goat, it is grazing. तदा समृद्धिः नीना च आगच्छतः. In the meantime, Samriddhi and Nina come there. Samriddhi and Nina. Now these two girls come nearer to the apiary where a few birds live. That is called apiary. And looking at many birds there, Samriddhi and Nina, they started talking to each other. First of all, Samriddhi asks to Nina, Samriddhi,
एते के सन्ति?
good. Ete ke santi? Who are they or who are these? Nina replies, Nina,
एते खगाः सन्ति.
yes. Ete khagaha santi. These are birds. Samriddhi continues asking, Samriddhi,
खगाः किं कुर्वन्ति?
khagaha kim kurvanti? What are the birds doing? Nina replies, Nina,
एषः मयूरः नृत्यति, एषः शुकः खादति, पीकः कूजति, पोपट उत्तति, उल्लुकः तिष्ठति, सा सारिका गायति.
good. Esah mayurah nrityati. This is a peacock who is dancing. Esah shukah khadati. This is a parrot who is eating. Look at the picture. A parrot is eating a chili. Then pikah kujati. Pikah means cuckoo, koyal. A cuckoo is singing. Papotah utpatati. A dog is flying. It is clearly visible in the picture. A dog is flying high in the sky. Then ulukah tisthati. Ulukah, an owl. An owl that is sitting silently on a branch of the tree. Then sa sarika गायति. सा वह, that. सारिका मैना. Canary, that canary is singing. सा सारिका गायति. That canary is singing. This is how talking to one another all those students are wandering hither and thither. Sarve Brahmanti. All are wandering. Wandering here and there. they come nearer to a pond that is called an aquarium where aquatic animals live. Now sarve भ्रमन्ति, all are traveling, wandering. And again now Naveen and Praveen come closer to each other. Naveen starts asking, Tatra kim asti? What is there? Tatra वहाँ kim क्या asti है? What is there? Praveen replies, Tatra sarovarah asti. A pond is there. Naveen asks, Ete ke santi? Ete ke taranti? ये कौन तैर रहे हैं? What are these swimming in the pond? Praveen replies, Ete jalajeevaah taranti. These are aquatic animals. They swim. They are swimming. Then Naveen continues saying, Atra मंडूकः कच्छपः मीनः च अनेके जीवाः सन्ति. There are many animals, aquatic animals. मंडूकः, कच्छपः, मीनः च अनेके जीवाः सन्ति. मकरः means crocodile. मंडूकः frog, toad. कच्छपः turtle and मीनः fish. A few animals, crocodile, toad, turtle and fish. Like this, many animals are there who are swimming in the pond. That is replied by Naveen. And this is how the visit to a zoo comes to an end. This is all about the chapter. This much is for today, dear students. Now you should have your book and have a thorough reading of the chapter. Try to get the words bit by bit, and we shall discuss the exercises of this chapter in the next class. Thank you.